Hey, what is up guys, this is Giselle and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server for 1.4.5. I know I haven't been doing videos in a while, or uploading, so I've been kind of busy, and, so yeah, so this is going to be my first video that I uploaded in like, I think 3 weeks, so yeah. But anyways, let's get started. In the description below I'll have like 5 links, so yeah. But I'll have one of those links will be a pre-made folder. So if you just want to skip on ahead in the video, so you don't have to like do all the steps, you can just download that and skip on ahead. I'll leave like an annotation here. And so yeah. So let's get started. So the first link you will have to click on is the Minecraft download one. So it's gonna take you to minecraft.net. Here, and just log in. I think I typed in my password wrong. Yeah. Yeah, so take you to the download this. Okay, and then the other one is this one, link to the code. I'll put this in the description below also. I'm not quite sure if you guys could copy and paste it from the description, but I'll see. So yeah, and then we can just go on and close Safari or minimize Safari, and then we're gonna just make a new folder. Call it Minecraft server 1.4.5. Oh, I forgot. Let's call it server 1.4.5. Go. And now drag in your Minecraft underscore server.jar in here, and then open it up. Then the next thing you're gonna have to do is go to Spotlight and type in text edit, and then new document, right click, paste, or command V, whatever you want to do. And then right here at the end where it says .jar, I always add no GUI. So this does something so that both what am I going to say? So that both server window runners don't open, so that just one opens. And I'll show you guys later what I mean. But yeah, so once you do that, you're going to go over to Format, make plain text, okay. And then right here where it says 1G, that's how much RAM it's going to be using, so I'm going to change mine to 2G. Oh crap, 2G. So if you don't know how much RAM you have, you can just go over here to the Apple logo, about to smack, and it'll tell you right here, memory 4 GB, 4 gigs. So yeah, never exceed or meet your RAM. It's really bad for your computer, but mostly you already know that. So yeah. Once you're all done with this, just do Command S. And if your guys is set default to iCloud, just click here and save it to desktop. If not, if yours is desktop, well then just leave it like that. Then call it start.command. You can call it whatever you want, but you need the .command at the end. So yeah, and then we save it. We can close that. Then you're going to have to open up Terminal. So again, go to Spotlight and type in Terminal. And you're going to have to type in the following: chmod space a plus x space, drag in your start.command, then hit enter. That'll just give it permission to allow this to run this. So yeah, and then we can just close this and we'll drag this in here if not already done, or if you guys haven't done it yet. So yeah, so I'm gonna highlight this blue. Okay, so you guys know that that's the one to start. So then once you have all that done, you're gonna double click here and it's just gonna generate all your stuff. And then we'll wait. Okay, and you can just type in stop, and then we'll just let it save everything, and there we go. So then I'll highlight this yellow so you guys know, and I'll highlight this red. So yeah, okay, so then the next thing you're going to have to do is look for your router IP. If you do not know how to look for your router IP, this will also be in the link in the description below, but this doesn't work for the link I'm going to put doesn't always work for everyone. So if that link doesn't work for you, well then you're going to have to go look for your router IP, and to do that go to system preference and then network, then go over to advanced, go over to TCP/IP, copy this, copy, okay, and then go over to your internet browser and just paste it right here, and that will take you to your router login page. So it will pop up with a little thing like this, and it's going to say name, which is your username, and your password is just whatever your password is. So if none of you have changed this, your username should just be admin, and your password should just be password. And it'll take you in to your router. So this doesn't matter if you have Netgear, D-Link, what other routers? Doesn't matter. I don't know. Linksys. Yeah, it really doesn't matter as long as you can find the thing that says, well, maybe for some of you it's gonna say advanced, and then it's gonna have two different ones, port forwarding and port triggering. But as long as you can find the port forwarding, you're good. So then some of you are gonna have to add custom, or you'll just have to add some stuff. I'm not sure, but just try to follow along. So in my case, I'm gonna edit, but you guys are gonna add. So service name, I'll just call it Minecraft server, whatever you want it. Service type, do both. You guys might have an option that says both, or it will have an option like this. So yeah. External starting port should be 25565. The external ending port should be the same. And then internal starting port should be the same. Internal ending port should be the same. And then for the internal IP address, you can change this to anything. Mine used to be .2, but since my printer uses that IP, I can't run the server. So some of you, it might give you a suggestion right here, and you can just click on it and it will apply, and then you can just hit apply and it will refresh, and then it will refresh by itself. Then you can just close this. Now we're going to go to our server.properties, double click. For most of you it won't do this, for some of you it will. If it doesn't open when you double click it, just go over to open with, or right click, open with, and then go over to other, and then type in text edit, look for it, and then click on it. Always highlight or mark this right here, always open with, and then open, and it should be open. And right here where it says server IP, type in your IP. So I'm going to type it in because I already remember it. So yeah, if you're doing this on the pre-made folder, it's gonna say something like input IP here or put your IP. I'll put something like that so it can get your attention. But yeah, so then put in your IP and change any of these things if you want. So I'll allow flight. I'm gonna change it to true. What else? I think that's it. And then you can just do Command S. Document server properties cannot be saved. The file has been changed. Just save anyways. And then close. And then here, don't forget to op yourself before you start. So double click and then type in your username. Save. And then quit. And then we can just start it. And then it will just generate your spawn, and we'll go try it out. And then multiplayer, and I already have mine added here. So, and here we go. Whoa, what the? Oh, that is weird. There we go. So yeah, every time I generate a new world, I always seem to spawn in the snow. I don't know why. But yeah, so that's how you make your Minecraft server with pouring. If you guys want to know how to do it with Hamachi, I'll put an annotation here. I'm just going to show you how to basically set it up. I'm not going to show you how to redo the whole server stuff, but yeah. So that's it. And then if you guys are done playing, just always remember to type in stop. That way it saves everything and you don't crash the server. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them. But yeah, that's it for now. So, peace.